This is heaven, guys. Strelitzia Landscapes have created the most inspiring veggie garden. And it is in a formal design, this beautiful rope edging, box hedging, and a central area where you can sit back and look at all your amazing veggies and all your hard work that you've put into it. And that's when you chill. For me, this garden is spectacular. 6 meters by 4 meters. We've all got that amount of space, probably taken up by some lawn, or maybe a pile of compost, or something that you're not using. Think about that space in your garden right now, and you could create this. Who said that an obelisk needed to be plain and simple? Oh no, splash of pink paint, baby, and some lovely rope around it. Yep, you too can have this. And it's literally just emerging like a rocket out of this garden space. Even in small spaces, you can still get height really effectively on a very, very small budget. 4 fence droppers into the ground, tied up with some nice rope. Haha, you've got sweet peas, you've got a climber underneath there, and Bob's your uncle. Taller than me, okay? And when you get bored of it, you just pull it out and put it down. And next season, put it back up again. Because you're planting a veggie garden doesn't mean that you need straight rows. We all like into this. Everything needs to be in a box. Now, take a look at this here. I love it, I love it. We've got a row of parsley. Yeah, okay, that works for me. But instead of putting rows of veggies, everything's been divided up into a little triangle. Like, remember one of those little games that we used to make out of paper? You remember them? Yeah, you do. And then you used to open it up. Same design shape has been used here. In the space, we've got some little red cabbage, spinach, bright lights, celery, and even some cauliflower at the back. And look how gorgeous they're looking. It works, okay? 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters. Keep your veggies in full sun, make sure that they're well mulched, and make them look gorgeous. And they don't have to be in the worst possible spot in your garden. They too can be prime position. In order to create some height and to hide this wall behind us, look at the clever system that was put up here. Literally, 2 big poles, CCA treated poles, banged in on either side. Some coated wire, and then pulled and tightened by using those little eye bolts. Whacked into there, turn it round to get your tension, and you can grow anything up it. Whether it's a vine, whether it's beautiful climbing roses, or even your green beans.